Here's what we're doing today. We've got us a service tee that we was going to renew. But when we got down here, we found a little something that we didn't expect. Fall down this ladder, try not to get hurt. Our job was to replace this service tee. However, this is what we found. Got a big kink in the pipe. As you can see, a bunch of corrosion. Big old pit right there. A big pit right there. So we're going to put us a pumpkin on here. I'll show y'all a pumpkin when we get finished. And we had to cut the tee off to make the pumpkin fit. However, it's still not fitting. And we don't want to take too much more off here, because when you look on the inside, you'll see that there is not a lot of threads holding this thing. So we've cut the top off of it, and as you can see, it's pretty darn thin up there where them threads are. There ain't much left holding it on there. So we don't want to take too much more off. Alright, we got her welded up now, and got her threadlet on there so we can test it. I'll show you this side because I'm pretty proud of it. I did this one, I didn't mess up very much, so we got our long seams welded. The other side looks pretty good too, but we got that. Now we just got to weld these two ends right here and right here. When we get that done, we'll give you a look at those when we get done. And we got our ends finished up here. I'm trying to zoom in on them a little bit. They're not too bad. There you go. So we weld our long seams first. Then we do one end of our girth weld. And once that kind of chills for a little bit, we come back and we weld the other end. And that way it don't pull and crack. But there you go. There's a pumpkin. I don't know what you guys call them, repair sleeve or whatever, but that's a pumpkin. That's what we call it. So there's a 2-inch dresser coupling, or dresser pumpkin.